So in some of the previous videos, you may have noticed our fancy toilet paper dispenser holder arrangement next to the high tank toilet. I'll step down here and give you a closer look at that. That is a barn beam drill. That's what some people call it, or a T-handle auger from the late 1800s, this particular one. And I'll take the toilet paper off to show you. So use two hands to twist that bad boy into a timber to drill a large size hole. And so I just simply found a decorative piece of driftwood and ran it just a little bit barely into the wood just so it wouldn't tip over. It's pretty stout. Where the blade on the bottom, the cutter, made contact with the wood a few times so that screw tip on the end of it got a pretty good bite into the wood so it would be sturdy. And presto, there you go. There's your toilet paper holder. And you just slide your toilet paper on there and it dispenses off of there nicely. So I've got a spare one sitting in the back and some bathroom spray sitting there next to it. So here's a better look. I got another one. You can get these on eBay for pretty cheap, $20, $30, $40, depending on the condition. Both of the ones that I have, I got a few others, but these ones are actually in working condition. You can see the screw. Trying to focus in on there. That's usually what's broken or in poor condition is the advancement screw. You can see it on that one. And this one I sharpened as well. So you can find them where those are broken or damaged and you can still manage to use them. They're pretty much worthless when, useless I should say, when they're when that little screw tip is broken or worn. So you can get them pretty cheap when they're in poor condition. And frankly, that'd be perfect to use for a toilet paper dispenser. Just kind of drill a hole and screw it down in there and into the piece of wood. So just another upcycling technique. Works good for a toilet paper holder and kind of looks neat in a rustic setting, in a log cabin setting.